Hey guys, here I'm gonna just do a little quick unboxing on this brand new iPhone. This is the iPhone 10X Max. This is as you can see, this is the 512 gigabyte model, and let's get to it. This is what it comes with. Trying to do everything one-handed, guys. This is just the paperwork. This is the SIM tool removal kit thing, and what that is. Some more paperwork, Apple stickers, and here's the phone. Here's the phone. Um, Here's the wall connector. Seems like it's the old one, like the one that always comes in. I've been hearing that it's not the fast charging one. Kind of sucks. You spend so much money and then it's like don't even have the fast charger thing. So here's the earpods, and then here's the charging cable thing. Oh, sorry. Charging cable thing. I already have. I'm actually. I already have the 7 Plus. So I already have these. I really don't use them, but I have them, and I already have the cord, and I already have the power charger thing. Don't really need it. Don't really need it. Need to turn it on, and here's I got it in space gray. Yeah, it's like super shiny. It's like super shiny. It's definitely not the but let's turn it on. Also, I have this. This is the UAG Monarch. Is the case. This is the one that's gonna come with the. It's gonna use the phone. Here it is. Let's see what it looks like. There you go. And then just put it in there. And there you go. This is what it looks like. Seems like it fits perfectly. has the thing there and the buttons, and all right, well, that's it. I'm gonna set it up, and maybe I'll do another video on it later. All right, bye.